Welcome to HC Structural Engineering. My name is Hamza Chowdhury and I am the founder and principal of HCSE. The reason why I started this firm was because I felt like people such as yourself, whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or an architect, just were not receiving the quality services that in this highly competitive market you would need in order to have successful business growth. Now that you're here, take a look at this short video to see how HCSE can assist you with your next project and how we're helping many people such as yourself bringing many dreams to a reality. HCSE was founded on the following principles that we hold very dear to the foundation of our firm. Quality. All of our work in our firm goes through a very rigorous quality control procedure, which is why over 95% of our projects are able to get a building permit instantly. Integrity. HCSE works for you, and as our respected client, we work very hard to earn your business and, more importantly, your trust. Cost-effective solutions. In the current market conditions, we know cost is going to be a main concern and ultimately drive what you may or may not be able to afford. That is why we usually request our clients to think of a budget before any project kickoff and encourage collaboration with contractors. By working hand in hand with contractors, we are able to value engineer our designs to provide you, the client, a cost-effective design. In order to provide you with the best quality services with the best rates in the current downturn of the economy, we dropped our rates to be the most competitive in the market, guaranteed. Customer service. At HCSE, we work really hard, no matter what your background may be, to explain the project process from the planning stage to the construction phase. We work hand in hand with you to answer all your questions and concerns you may have and turning any possible frustration that you may have due to being in an unfamiliar situation of the design-build process into simply a mutual understanding. We are committed to listening to our clients and giving only the best quality services. At the end of each project, a service representative will contact you to evaluate your experience with HCSE, which in turn helps us improve our services to make sure we are addressing the needs and wants of our clients. If you have an illegal structure, or maybe you're red tagged or you had something built without a proper permit, HCSE can help you out with that. We'll provide you with the additional documents you may need to get a building permit in your respected city. We know your home is your sanctuary, so why not let HCSE assist you with providing you with an investigation report to help you take steps to save your home from the next big one. In the last few years, the design-build industry has shifted away from the traditional design-bid-build approach and instead has shifted to a design-build approach, which requires increased collaboration due to the more complexity and innovation of today's projects. The focus and ultimate goal of this shift is to help save you, the client, both time and money. At HCSE, our experts have invested a significant amount of time and effort to become the leaders in the forefront of this very exciting technology. BIM, otherwise known as Building Information Modeling, can help an owner save both time and money by simply taking a look at alternative construction methods and materials, and ultimately will deliver a better product to the owner by reducing the amount of change orders during construction. If you're an architect or an engineer and maybe unfamiliar with this software, HCSE can help train you and your staff how to become leaders in the forefront of this technology. By letting HCSE assist you, we are able to help you become more efficient and competitive in this market, where now architects and designers are requiring firms to know BIM.
My name is Danny McGinley. I'm a general contractor and I have worked in the past with HCSE and I have had great success with HCSE. The important characteristics is teamwork in construction, and the HCSE are certainly team players. And when we have to process documents for permits and so on through the city, we always have great success. We go through first time. We would always use HCSE.
Let's look at an example of how we were able to help an average homeowner bring his dreams into a reality. Sam Mock, a client of ours in Saratoga, California, came up to us and asked us to assist him because he wanted to have a garage addition in the rear side of his yard. The issue at the forefront of this garage addition was where exactly could it go in the rear yard, considering there was a pool in the middle of the backyard. When Sam first approached us, he had no idea how this thing would look, how it would go together, nor if he could actually do this project considering all the constraints he was facing. So we took the sketch from Mr. Mock and we pieced together a model, and we sat down with him and his wife. We decided that it would be very difficult for them to maneuver with the current design. Using this fact, we were able to go back and provide Mr. Mock and his wife with another option, which also had maneuverability issues. Ultimately, with the final proposed design, We had placed a garage directly parallel with the home, which made Mr. Mock and his wife very happy. We took a simple sketch and gave the owner an insight on what he could ultimately expect after construction. There were no loose ends or questions, and by having Sam on the same page as us, we were able to bring his dream into a reality. Sam had never done an addition or remodel prior to this experience with us. He was unfamiliar with the situation, and he had a lot of questions. By working with him hand in hand, we were able to answer his questions as they arose. Sam was able to get his building permit on the first attempt, and because of that, him and his wife now have that garage addition they've always dreamed of. Contact HCSE today and let us show you the unique way we do business. By becoming our friend and not just our client, we will ensure that your project meets or exceeds your expectations. We are determined to earn your trust and satisfaction, and we'd like to thank you for taking your time out to watch this video, and we look forward to speaking with you.